So for a user who has come on the Jupitice platform for the resolution of their matter, what does the entire journey looks like?
Okay. The journey is quite simple. I would like to go through it with all the kind of multifaceted features that we have. So anyone who comes to the platform, any individual, any NBFC, any bank, any big conglomerate, they can just sign up, they can log in, and either they can file a case on their own, or they can bulk import all the cases. We have all the features embedded in our system. You can also have the services of a case manager. The case manager is someone who will be guiding you throughout the case journey, helping you out for any kind of self-representation that you have to do, any kind of coordination that you want to have with the neutrals. So the first step would be logging in and having a case manager by your side. The platform is very simple enough. You can import your bulk cases, you can move your files on the platform, and then the next step would be to choose the method of resolution. Now, the case manager can also assist you in that. You yourselves can be assisted. We have AI integration. We have Saya chatbot that can help you choose what kind of, depending on segregating the kind of disputes you have, the kind of cases that you have imported, that can also suggest you that if you want to go for mediation, you want to go for arbitration, or you want to have negotiation. Once the resolution method is chosen, the next step would be to pick an arbitrator or a neutral mediator, anyone, and that is something which is easily available on our ODR marketplace. The marketplace has more than 5,000 neutrals, has legal professionals, has case managers, which any person who logs in can opt for. You can see their expertise. You can choose what language arbitrator, case manager, mediator you want. You can also pick the fee structure, anything that you want. So you can hire, you can appoint, that is completely your choice. Once the same has been done, you have various different features to onboard the other party on the platform, or depending on the kind of situation you are in, the kind of legal clauses that you have. It could be that you would be wanting to send a legal notice, or you would be wanting to send an invitation. So that completely depends on the criteria that you have, and that can be also done on the platform. There is no usage of any external tool. You do not use Word document. You do not use Google Meets. You do not use any other external software. Everything is embedded in our platform, on homegrown, and it also helps you to be DPDP compliant, to be GDPR compliant. Any law of any country, any data law, we are compliant with that. So once you have done the case import, once you have filed the case, you have chosen the neutral, you have gone towards onboarding the other party, the next step would be hearings. So we have a virtual hearing room, our own homegrown, and it has multiple features like recording of proceedings, submissions during the proceedings, notes, pagination, and it's very easy to join. At the same time, you do not need multiple accounts for any. I'm talking about a very big company. You do not need multiple accounts, and even if you want multiple accounts, you can have them easily throughout the jurisdiction. You can manage your teams, you can manage your own case, you can manage the hierarchy of a case throughout that. You can customize a flow depending upon the procedural fairness. So all that is available on the platform. Once you are done with the hearings, there could be multiple hearings, there could be one hearing, there could be a hearing only with one party involved. That is completely your choice. You can move towards various different kinds of features, like you can draft your own settlement agreement. You can draft your own order of, if an arbitrator is present on the platform, they can, with the help of the AI chatbot, with so many features that we have, they can draft awards on the platform. And at the same time, if a person is filing 50 cases, maybe 100, maybe 1,000, they can with one click download all the case record in their system, or they can export the files to wherever they want. So the platform has complete audit trail. The platform has various case logs. So anything that is done on the platform is documented. So the audit trail is maintained, and anytime that record is called in or maybe wanted, that can be produced. At the same time, we have features like case summarization. We have transcription where I can just speak and the same can be typed in.
Okay.
I have a usage of a wonderful feature where we have AI and tech. We can talk about later in detail, where I can draft replies to any kind of notices or summons that I've received. So in all, the ODR platform has various different features completely together, not divided in silos. So as I said earlier, no data leakage, no loss of communication. And that gives it an extra edge than any other ODR platform, or even I would say that is something which is very much necessary in its process.
So like you mentioned, taking notes during hearings. So are the notes also taken on the platform while the hearings are going on?
Yes, you can take notes on the platform at the same time. You can speak and the notes can be submitted at the same time. You can present your files also to any of the neutral if you want to do during the hearing. So it's completely flexible. You're not bound by very strict court procedures. So that is something which makes it very, very interesting to use.
You also mentioned transcriptions. Could you elaborate just a little bit about that?
Right. So we have various different languages on our platform.
Okay.
So if I want to write something or in Hindi or maybe Marathi, I can just click on the feature and whatever I speak will be written down in Marathi.
Okay.
Whatever I speak will be written down in Punjabi. At the same time, if I have any video that I have to submit to the neutral, I can upload the same video, and anything in that video can be transcribed and presented as a written format.
Okay.
So that is also one feature that we have.